Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your engine air filter. This simple maintenance task can save you money and improve your vehicle's performance. You will need a new air filter and possibly a screwdriver or a small socket wrench. Always make sure your engine is cool to the touch before you begin. This guide will walk you through each step, making it easy for anyone to complete this important service in about 10 to 15 minutes. First, locate the air filter housing, which is typically a large, black plastic box connected to the engine's intake. It is usually found on one side of the engine compartment. Next, release the clips or unscrew the fasteners holding the housing cover in place. There are often 4 to 6 clips or screws. Gently lift the cover to reveal the old air filter inside. Take a moment to note how the old filter sits in its tray. Now, carefully remove the old air filter from its compartment. You will likely see it is quite dirty, filled with dust and debris. Take a clean cloth and wipe out any loose dirt or leaves from inside the air filter housing. This ensures a clean environment for your new filter. Then, take your new air filter and place it into the housing, making sure it fits perfectly and is oriented in the same direction as the old one. Once the new filter is seated, carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into position. Make sure the edges align properly to create a tight seal. Reattach all the clips or screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are fastened securely. A properly sealed housing prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine. A clean air filter can improve your vehicle's fuel economy by up to 10% and extend your engine's life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.